is good, Wavy Navy? It's Woo, and we finna get wavy. You dig?
Real, yeah. I had to shine for me. Okay. My money fuck you up. I'm talking big bucks. Yeah. I got a dumper truck full of expensive stuff. Okay. My game to fuck you.
So today in this video, we're doing another Busta Bang videos, and this is basically a series where I'm rating you guys music. Y'all can DM me at Busta Bang on Instagram. Send me your name, your age, your social media handles, song link, cover art, where you from, and I will DM you when I get to yours. So yeah, I will rate it a bust or bang. Bust being, you know, it needs some work, it needs a lot of work. Or bang being like, you know, I'm bumping to it, like adding it to the playlist. So yeah, and then I will also rate it on a scale of 1 through 10. So yeah. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. And by the way, look, I got the AirPod Pros, you already know. Look at it, look at these things, man. Look. Ooh, can y'all see? Let me put my hand behind them like the other YouTubers be doing. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at it. Boom. I'm not even finna be listening to these, but I'm just finna put them on for the video purposes. Why? Cause I can hear myself better now, and I got the noise cancellation. All that outside stuff not bothering me right now. So boom. So let's see who we got up first. We got that kid Damon. He's 13 from Queens, New York. His Instagram is 347DXMIE, and this is his song No Cap. Let's get it.
Paving this shit crank.
Cuz you trying to take my bike. Oh, Shorty Joe, what type of punch was that? I'm gonna talk your ass.
These fools be capping, they not really rapping. They say all that stuff, but it's not gonna happen. Pop out with a stick, you know that it's tragic. I really do it, I do some magic. I'm downtown, they know my name, no cap, no cap. Blink, they beat up the bass, I ain't no pony, I ain't no change. These fools be capping, they not really rapping. They say all that stuff, but it's not gonna happen. Pop out with a stick, you know that it's tragic. I really do it, I do some magic. I'm downtown, they know my name, no cap, no cap. People be lame, I catch a beat, then beat up the bass. I ain't no pony, I ain't no change. I ain't finna change, these people be lame, these people be fake, steady getting paid. Running the bands, the cake got fans. I hit my dance, I got so much bands. I ain't your friend, come on here, it's at the end, no cap for real. I feel the bands, and pulled up, count to 10. I really put a plug cause they do think can stop me. Fake fans really out watching me closely. Minding my business, I'm on my dolo. I don't know no bands, I really stay solo. But I get them bands, put up and say hello. I stay simple, no black and yellow. Como estas, how you doing, my fellow? I'm Spanish. Stop by the crib, got a couple bands. Paparazzi, I got fans. I really be there on my don't like the cans. My wrist is so cold, just like a fan. I'm freezing. Weather like 0 degrees. Got the flu from the sneeze. My flow is cold like the breeze. Won't be capping, they not really rapping. They say all that stuff, but it's not gonna happen. Pop out with a stick, you know that it's tragic. I really do it, I do some magic. I'm around town, they know my name, no cap, no cap. People be lame, I catch a beat, then beat up the bass. I ain't no pony, I ain't no change. Won't be capping, they not really rapping. They say all that stuff, but it's not gonna happen. Pop out with a stick, you know that it's tragic. I really do it, I do some magic. I'm around town, they know my name, no cap, no cap. People be lame, I catch a beat, then beat up the bass. I ain't no pony, I ain't no change.
I don't even have to listen to no more, bro. I don't, because it's just like, that was good, bro. That was fine. And you only 13? For you to only be 13, I'm talking about that was, man. That was a banger, bro. Straight banger. Now, the only thing that I can say, I want you to not even say that I don't like, that I want you to kind of work on is making sure that we can hear you really good. I don't want the music to be louder than you. Make sure it kind of balances out so we can hear you and still rock to the beat, you feel me? So I'm giving you a 9 out of 10. I'm giving you a straight 9 out of 10. And that right there is no cap. No cap. 9 out of 10. So yeah, let's see who we got up next. Up next we got Lamar. He is 22. He is from La Jara, Colorado. And his social medias is Lamar.OOOH. And this is his song Pure Water Remix. Let's get it.
Come on, come on. This shit gonna even make Jason put his hands up. Yeah, you know I'm just trying to get elastic money, finna stretch it. The shit I be on, yeah, I feel expensive. Dancing to my songs, call it G-stepping, yeah, I'm hot, on top. Feel like Sugar Diddy in my city, money non-stop. Yeah, Glock, watch your top, please don't you fuck with me. Switch your stuff with that 719 Kush, Cloud 9 look, 99 reasons why they don't book me. Maybe cause I'm too pricey, maybe they don't like me. Unlikely, how could you like me? I'm cool, super cool, might be that I be too much, too much. I be too much, 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 too much, too much. I'm grown, so who is you kidding? The light on like a propane range in the kitchen. Green beret and y'all sound the same. I can't tell the difference. Y'all sound the same. I swear I can't tell the difference. See, I think I'm too much. Really have the heat tuck like a bitch, but now she fuck. Cause I'm here, hands out, no hands up. Number one rule, get green, then roll up. Roll up. What I smoke, yeah, purify. More I breathe, yeah, I get high. What I smoke, yeah, purify. More I breathe, yeah, I get high. You know I'm just trying to get elastic money, finna stretch it. The shit I be on, yeah, I feel expensive. Dancing to my...
Alright, bro. So from what I heard, it's not really my type of rapping. Like, I don't really listen to that type of music, I guess. Cause you're more of like a lyricist, which I do like. I like that combination of like trap music mixed with lyricist. Perfect combo for me. But this is just more leaning towards more the lyricist part. I'm gonna rate it a 7 out of 10, and I'm gonna rate it a bang. Even though it's not something that I would per se listen to, but the tone quality, the lyrics are good, sound quality, everything's good. So you have a smooth 7 out of 10, sir. Good job. Let's see, who do we have up next? Up next, we got OTR Fly. I want it. His Instagram is forever_fly. Let's get it.
You ain't a gangster unless you get the video done by my nephew, dog. What you do? Yeah, it's fun. Okay, so yeah, easy, y'all, easy. Yeah, you gotta step back in the bro. He
That's cool.
TNT.
Trying to make it, yeah. I won't make it. Tell me you need it. I just want it. Oh, trying to make it. Started from the bottom. Every situation made me go harder. I'm thinking of myself, I gotta think smarter. Can't put my trust inside of bitch on nigga. Situations different. You gotta stay strong, do it all. You gotta be willing to risk it all. You gotta be willing to take it fall. Oh no, I can't trust nobody. Yeah, I pop a pedal. Up, I want a Molly. My situations made me crazy. My situations made me lazy. No, bitch, you know I'm flying. Flying in the city and they wonder why. I made myself a promise, I'ma get us right. Make it to the top and see the bright lights. I want it.
Alright, bro.
Tell me you need it now. I just want it. Trying to make it. Started from the bottom. Every situation made me go harder. I'm thinking to myself, I gotta think smarter. Can't put my trust inside a bitch or a nigga. No. Trying to make it. Started from the bottom. Every situation made me go harder. I'm thinking to myself, I gotta think smarter. Can't put my trust inside a bitch or a nigga.
Alright, bro. I don't know. I wasn't expecting that. Like, I love when, like, y'all's music catch me off guard. Like, I wasn't expecting you to sound like that. Like, your voice is really different, and I really like it. I really do like it. Bro, can y'all, is this song on Apple Music? Is there a way we can get this on Apple Music? I'm not sure. But we should get this on Apple Music. Because I will download it on Apple Music. So, sir, put this. Hey, listen, come here. Listen to me. Put this on Apple Music, okay? We need to have it so I can download it and have it on my phone. Thanks. Because it's pretty fine. I like it. It's different. Good job. So yeah, bro, I'm giving you a straight banger. You already know. A whole banger. A whole banger. And I'm giving you a 9 out of 10. Because I like how original it is. It's different. It's just what I want to hear in music. Good job, bro. That is it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Stay litty, stay wavy. It's Wavy, and I am out.